I don't know what the deal is, but like today, my little baby hairs are just not staying in place. And they're just like blowing all up in my face, and like I can feel them, and they're just driving me crazy. And I just don't know why it's doing that. Like, why does my hair do this? Like, why does my hair hate me today? Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi hello if you're new here. Today I have a wearable 4th of July makeup tutorial and I'm so excited to be doing this video. Now I just did a really colorful 4th of July look and I'll have that linked down below in the description box where you can go watch it. But I thought today I would just give y'all this bonus video of a wearable look that you can also do for the 4th of July as well. And I love the way that it turned out. I think it's super pretty. Now in this tutorial I am going to be talking kind of lower than normal, and that is because my brother is currently asleep because he has to work a night shift tonight. So that is why I'm going to be talking very low in this tutorial. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right on into this look. Alrighty, so the first thing that I'm going to do for this wearable look is I'm just going to be using the Beauty Concepts eyeshadow trio. This is a shadow that I reach for every single day in my everyday makeup routine. So I'm just going to do my top lid, kind of like how I do it every single day. So first, I'm just going to take that color right there and I'm just going to apply that to my crease. And I'm actually going to be using this little double-ended Profusion eyeshadow brush. Now taking that little shimmer shade right there, I'm going to apply that to my lid using this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Alrighty, now comes the super fun part of this tutorial where we're going to tie in the 4th of July theme. So first I'm going to apply the shade Diamond to the inner half of my lower lash line. Alright, and now I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and apply it just a little bit into the middle half of my lower lash line. Alright, and then using my NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to take the navy blue shadow and apply that to the outer half of my lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. And the two mascaras that I'm going to be using today are the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and then the Benefit They're Real Mascara. Alrighty, and now I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer from Benefit just to warm up my face a bit. This is just the original bronzer. This isn't the light one or the deep one or anything like that. This is the OG. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Alright, and now for blush, I'm going to be using the Ulta blush in the shade Gilded. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using the Profusion blush brush. Alrighty, and then lastly, for the face for highlight, I'm just going to be using this Morphe highlighter in the shade Spark. And the reason why I chose this highlighter is because it is named Spark, and what you do on the 4th of July is you watch fireworks go sparkling across the sky. So I kind of just thought that this highlighter was fitting for this tutorial, and I'm just now realizing that I picked a really cheesy reason to use this highlighter, but we're just going to use this e.l.f. highlighting brush. And then last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. shimmer gloss in the shade Red. That's just what it's called, and that is the shade that it is. It's just a simple red. I'm just going to be using this today on my lips because I like something a bit more hydrating and moisturizing on my lips during the warmer months. But you can literally use any type of a red lip color that you want to, or even just any type of a lip color that you want to use in general. You don't have to use a red. A nude would work just as good as well, but this is just what I'm going to be using today. Alrighty, my little little Hannah corns. So that is it for this wearable 4th of July look. I really hope you all did enjoy this video, and maybe I did give y'all some inspiration on what to do for the 4th of July. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video really soon. Bye!